Okay, welcome guys. This is Realme Buds Air Neo as written, and on the box you have the Realme branding. This side also, and this side we have some details about it, customer care info and all. The back side we have the Realme link capture symbol, super low latency mode, dynamic bare driver that are 13 large drivers. Then the Google Fast Pure, Bluetooth 5.0 ANC, Smart Touch Control, and 17 hours of battery backup. So this is all we have in the box. And now let's quickly go back to unboxing. So I've seen many other reviewers just tearing off the packet and all, but in my case I'm not going to do like that. We're going to neatly unbox it. Okay, so this keep aside, and this is the box, the main box in clear yellow color. And now let's unbox it. Okay, it's not coming up. Okay. So this is the main box, and here nothing is there, as you can see. Let's keep it here. Better keep it side, yeah. And here, oh my god. Okay, not too light, a little heavy as well. Okay, a little bit of heaviness I can feel. Okay. So this is a box. Here's a physical button type at the back, designed by Realme. Okay, it's written designed by Realme, and this is a box with a physical button, and here is the light, I guess. Okay, so now the time, finally. Let's open the lid. Okay, the light is, so battery is there, and these are the Realme Buds Air Neo in white color. Wow, this lid, oh my god, the clicky feel is so good, so damn good. Green light is here, so that means the battery is over there. And let's see what else do we have in the box. In the box, touch control and all. Then we have, okay, so much of gyan ki baatein. A user manual dedicated. Oh, there's a long one. Okay, let's keep it aside. And we have a data cable, and this is micro USB A to micro USB cable. This has got a USB, not Type C, guys. At this price point, I think Type C would have been a much better option. Okay, so there is nothing in the box. True. The main thing, which is this. Okay, so basically this is all, not required anymore. Okay, so there is a bonus, and let me open. Okay, the light glows, and okay. Let me just, wow, can you see, guys? Can you just see the feel of it? It has got a so dedicated feel. Wow. At the bottom there are the sensors for charging as well as microphone up there. And okay, just let me concentrate on one, which will be more better. Wow, oh my god. The drivers are 13 big, and this looks quite similar to Earpods. Well, this is all for the unboxing, and there is nothing in this except all this. And oh, the light is glowing. Yeah, of course the light glows. So, this is all. So basically this is my unboxing video.